Senator ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna othichoko e kom mar jalup jaleg kweth manok e Senet ma en lendo ma ogol gi spika mar od bura ma Senet Amason Kingi ma bendo lero ni okang'no obiro kaluwore gi dwaro mar duond buch ODM kendo sani Eddie Okech ma en senator ma Migori ema dhi bedo e lemono. Dalinta Awuor nigi lerno.
Senator ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna oyudore kama diny kendo ka koro thiche oko kaka jalup jaleg kweth manok e od bura mar Senet kendo koro ODM oketo senator ma Migori Eddie Okech e lemono. Spika mar Senet Amason Kingi olando mano kolero ni en kaluwore gi barua ma ODM ondiko mar dwaro lokruok makamano.
From the correspondence, the minutes indicate that a resolution was passed to remove the Deputy Senate Minority Whip, Senator Edwin Sifuna CBS MP, in accordance with Standing Order 23-4. The minutes further indicate the minority party elected Senator Eddie Okech MP to serve as the Deputy Senate Minority Whip in his place pursuant to Standing Order 23-5. Now, Honorable Senator, Standing Order 23-7 provides as follows. The Speaker, upon receipt of the decision under paragraph 6, shall verify the correspondence received and deliver a communication to the Senate within 3 sitting days.
Sifuna, ma en achiel kuom jokanyo mag kweth mar linda mwananchi ma yande obalo kod okang' mar ODM lando sirne jatend piny William Ruto. Jotelo mag kweth mar linda mwananchi oseyo okang' mar golo Sifuna e lemono ka giwacho ni romo manyocha ODM obago chieng' tich abich nyocha ok ochopo kwan ma oromo puodho gol mare.
During Raila Odinga's funeral, we never had a PG meeting. But this particular one was so important and it was pushed to the night at 7:30. Nevertheless, we decided to attend the meeting as Azimio members. In that meeting, we were shocked to learn that there was only one agenda. The agenda to remove Edwin Sifuna as the Deputy Minority Whip.
What was done yesterday is wrong and unacceptable. Sifuna has been removed unlawfully, and this gives Sifuna even mileage to continue leading in Linda Mwananchi.
Dalinta Ohuma, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.